Next year I'm gonna be offering mentorship. Guys, I can't get over how I look.
All of the other days were really...
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahlodi Panda and I'm a consistently profitable forex trader. Today is Monday and right now it is 9 something, maybe it's like quarter to 10 a.m. and I'm just getting myself ready to record the trading course that I've been talking about for a very long time. Exam season is over and you know what, like, it was so bad. It was really bad. I know I failed an exam because I blacked out while writing the exam. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like I knew what they were talking about but I couldn't remember the equations. I just couldn't remember anything. One other thing that I actually wanted to address, okay, before we go in too deep, okay, you guys did not watch my previous vlog and you know what, we're gonna have a problem because in that vlog I was going through like a very big change in my life. That brings me to what's happening right now, okay? My hair, we're gonna do a big reveal. I'm not trying to change this channel into a beauty channel, okay, but I used olive ORS gel, something like that, and it flakes, right? I'm gonna do the big reveal right now. If it flakes, then we're gonna have to go to the mall today, but then I'm gonna try first and spray this on and see. Oh my gosh, and it's so bad. Okay, nah, it's not gonna work. Another thing is that yesterday I did my lashes, so I have been practicing doing my own beauty maintenance and I feel like with the lashes I'm almost there. The problem now becomes blending. The problem is blending the makeup. Hopefully I'll get better at that as time goes, but with my lashes I need to fill them from here, right, and there. I don't know if this looks okay, or maybe I should go to the mall, right? I'm gonna go to the mall and then I'm gonna ask a beauty girl if they look okay or if I should do more since I'm going to clicks. But I need to cover my hair. I have a balaclava. This is my cousin's brand, Off to Sleep. One thing about me, I will support a small business. And I can even go get like a coffee at the mall. The mall is literally like 5 minutes away from my house. It's so close to my house that I can smell the food when they're cooking it. Okay guys, I'll see you guys at the mall. Okay guys, plans just changed, okay? Unfortunately I can't go to the mall anymore because, all right, maybe let me give you guys a little backstory, okay? So with Zufix is that I'm training myself to be a private trader. I have been in talks with a couple of potential investors. One of the investors has deposited money into the business account, so I'm gonna set that up right now. Yesterday I did do some forecasts, but at that time I wasn't seeing stuff that I really want to see on the higher time frames, so I just assumed that the market is resetting itself. So when the market is resetting itself, I don't take trades, and one thing that I really am good at is not taking trades. Actually I should go to the mall, hey?
Money, got 'em, cut 'em, out 'em. Order, dollars, quarters, wrist, water, reach, water, your bitch, on wanna, come on, hey, summer, really, cook up, hey, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
It's a vlog. I'm looking for whiteboard markers and I'm not finding any. All I'm finding is permanent markers, which is so annoying because it means I have to go to Panda, and Panda's like a little out of range for me. Let me go ask the people who work. Oh yeah, and I got exactly what I want. I wanted something that has black and different colors because I am a visual learner. Let me just take the 40 red one because there's more colors and there's one there, so I guess it was waiting for me. And they have purple. Purple is my favorite color, so yeah guys, I got what I was looking for.
Come on, hey, I'm a stomach.
Thank you. This is cute. I got my usual, which is the top decker chocolate. It's only 14 rand. Then they have these custard. I don't know what this thing called. Please comment down below if you know what it is. And then it's got like powdered sugar on top. Yeah. This is my usual order. Hey guys, it's still the same day and I'm back home. I've been home for a very long time. I arrived home, washed my hair in the shower, and then redid the whole ponytail situation. So earlier on I wanted to show you guys the gel that I use, right? And this is it. This is the wax. Don't use this. This is what I got thanks to YouTube. It says styling gel, style and shine, maximum hold, maximum sheen, non-flaking. So we'll see. I also got these. So right now I just wanna test them out because this is where I'm gonna be recording the lessons. I was a bit worried about you guys not being able to see the stuff, so I think this is how I'm gonna give out the lessons. So yeah guys, that's how I'm gonna be giving out the lesson. I'm gonna do my lashes while we talk business. The goal for the second half of 2025 was for me to get an FSCA license, right? So that I can get to do what I want to do in the Forex trading space, right? But unfortunately things didn't go as planned for me. That has caused a delay with my business because I want people to give me capital and then I'm gonna trade on their behalf. Now that I've said that out on the internet, okay, one thing that I will not do is DM you guys and ask you guys for money. Another thing that I am doing, right, guys, don't come for me, okay, don't come for me, but next year I'm gonna be offering mentorship. Now I have been doing one-on-one calls with a few people because with my mentorship I've got a few requirements, okay, that you need to meet and things that you need to understand. So far the people that I will be mentoring like understand that. They really understand that I am not a miracle worker, okay? If maybe you want to do the whole one-on-one thing with me to like just send me an email. My email is in the description box. Send me an email and then we'll do a video call and then let's see what I can do for you, okay? Guys, I'm so frustrated. My hair is not coming together. The pair that I always trade, like there are no positions like everything that I know not coming together. So I'm frustrated, I'm bored, I don't have anything to do. Maybe I could read. And then the cherry on top, guys, my eyelash, like this side of my eyelashes is kind of irritating me. Like my eye has been watering since yesterday and I've been ignoring it. And I did mention yesterday that like this side came out really well. Like I really like what I did on this side, and then this side, wah. Hey guys, so it is still Tuesday, but it is 13:13 p.m. and I just took a buy entry. So literally this is where my entry was. Now what I had noticed is that market is at an area of sensitivity. These two candlesticks are a candlestick pattern that indicates to me that we really are going up, right? And then as well as this one over here. Hey guys, today's day 3, it's Wednesday, okay, and we're doing a reveal of the ponytail. Yeah, what? Yo, it's dry. I just need to redo my edges, which is not a problem at all. This side they didn't come out the way I like my edges to come out. There was a vlog where I spoke about how like I'm really used to failure. Like failure doesn't faze me anymore. Like I'm used to failing and then doing something again, failing, doing something again until I actually get it right. So yeah, the moral of the story, don't give up. But also, just because you don't give up does not mean you're gonna make it. Hey guys, I did my lashes. I really like my lashes. I like how they come out. I like the shape. I like everything. I'm gonna reveal my edges. I want to take them out and see how they turned out. Okay, I messed up my hair over here. You know what? I feel like this is good. I'm not gonna do too much. Yo guys, I can't get over how I look. Like I need to go out the house.
Me versus you and you know they pick it. Cheap and expensive, you know the difference. You know that it's taken, you know what it's giving. Hair, nails,
It's hot time.
Hoes very low, they told me they spin. This is wash, soap in the dishes. I block pressure like ball constrictors. One bitch, two bitch, old bitch, new bitch. None of y'all bitches not gon' do shit. I'm in Miami, I pull up on cruise ship. You in Miami for some shit. What I said is stampede, put on neck.
This one, good kitchen feed probably the important kitchen.
Hey guys, I didn't introduce this part of the vlog. I'm sorry about that, but my sister arrived. Here she is. And then we're in town, like Joburg CBD, and we're looking for a place to get that stretchy material for a waist trainer. Yeah, they go Small Street. This is the small street that they always talk about, guys.
Street, aka Diamond Walk.
Small Street, aka Diamond Walk. And the High Court over here. Johannesburg High Court. Hey guys, I'm back home from my little day out of the house. It was really great. I enjoyed myself. Also the hair held really well. Like it held so well. I'm having problems with my trading view. Like I'm trying to pay for my trading view, but trading view said that I can't use a business card to pay for normal subscription, and I don't know why it wants me to pay for like pricey stuff if I'm not even gonna, like, I don't use all these other tools. The only reason why I pay for trading view is so that I can have the replay button. Literally, that's the only reason why. Anything beyond that, like, I don't really care about. So that's that. And then I'm like, okay, cool, let me transfer money from my business account to another account, but like the banking app was giving me problems. Hey guys, I'm going to be reviewing the trades that I have taken thus far. So we're gonna start with the trade from the 4th. Right, we're gonna do before and after pictures. With this, unfortunately, I don't have a before and after picture. All I have is this picture. This is a pattern that I have taken time and again on my YouTube channel, and this is a double bottom. So I saw that the market was creating a double bottom over here. This highlighted candlestick was the final confluence that I needed to know that the market was indeed going up. So I took the trade, went up. A point of interest was my order block, so that's why my take profit was there. And this is how the trade looked on MetaTrader 5. Now with this trade, guys, after this, right, I realized that this buy was not the position that I was supposed to be interested in, but the sell that came thereafter, because the market dipped a lot. And then after the dip, I think this is where my winning streak started. This is where my luck took a turn, and the next day, it was a Wednesday, I think, I was also trading the midweek reversal. I also noticed that the market was at an area on the daily chart. As per usual, I am a pattern trader, and just like before, we had a W that was forming, and the last signal that I saw that told me that the market was going up is this candlestick over here. So, and then over here we had a little order block that was visible on the 15-minute chart, and then from there take profit was hit. Well, first take profit was hit, and then market started doing these manipulations, and this is because this was a very obvious trade, guys. Now with these obvious trades, the market will do stuff like this where it's like manipulating, and then you will exit, enter, and by the time you blink, you've already lost your account. This is how the market performed the next day. There was this 1 hour order block that was my point of interest, and at about 2 a.m. I was awake, and this candlestick over here signals to me that we are going up, hence the entry at that time went up, right? And then there was a second entry too at this time from another point of interest, which was this support area over here, which was resistance but then got broken and then became a support, and then market went up from there. But now my exit, the exit of this trade was around here, because on the 15-minute chart, market was creating candlesticks that we are gonna turn, and I started becoming nervous and so on and so on. But you know what, it is what it is. I was really happy about how that played out. Now the next week, which was this week, this week was very interesting, a very interesting week. And how do I know that for me a week is going to be interesting? Is when I start using channels. So yeah, this was the overall analysis. This was supposed to be where my TP was, but then there was this blue area over here that is very strong, a very strong area, which influenced the exit and how the trade went, because I realized that the market failed to break once, market failed to break second time. This is where I exited all of the trades, even with the re-entry, and this is what it looked like on MetaTrader 5. First entry was over here, and then second entries were over here at the retrace, and then exits were over here for all trades. That was Monday. And then on Tuesday was also a very interesting day, because I took a sell, and this sell was very quick, guys. It was very quick. I had analyzed from the 15-minute chart, and what I had realized was that market was coming to this point of interest over here, which was a 1 hour order block. And now, even with this trade, I realized later that I would have also taken the buy over here. And if we go to MetaTrader 5, this is how it was. But this trade, it was so quick that I didn't even get a chance to enter the second trade, because I usually enter twice per pattern that I'm taking. Wednesday was a shitty day because I took the trade from the 4-hour chart, and this was the analysis, and my stop loss was just above the top of a structure of this 4-hour candlestick. But market took us out because on MetaTrader 5 there was some manipulation. By the way, I trade with XM, so XM is a book B broker, so they are allowed to manipulate chart however way they want. So that's what I experienced over here. And as you can see over here, this is the structure of the 4-hour candlestick, but then market went beyond that, and then market came back down to hit my first take profit area, obviously not the second take profit area or overall take profit area for this trade. Then it went back up, but you know, I'm still crying for my profit, because even if market had went back to entry, would have realized that it closed in some kind of profit over here. Unfortunately, I didn't have the chance to do that because I was taken out both times, and those were literally my first bad trades. So yeah. And then Thursday was also very interesting. These were my plans for Thursday, but then this is how it played out. Thursday was a really shitty day, guys, because over here you can see I almost gave into tilt, but then I took some time out to meditate, and then managed to get an entry, and then managed to get out over there. But this was my first entry over here, and this was where the exit was, and I was really mad at myself because I couldn't enter twice. I entered once, market shot up, you know, and then I was like, okay, I'll wait for a retracement. But I think over here I know, like, my mental game was off. My mental game was really, really off, because this was the entry. First take profit was at around here, but as you can see, I couldn't. I just did not follow the plan on this day. Over here, I literally gave into FOMO, gave into tilt. It was just a shitty day, but then I was able to restabilize myself to enter over here twice. Take profit was hit, and I'm really excited. That I was really happy about, as you can see over there. And then this was the area where there was so much tilt and stuff like that, and this is the candlestick that I had missed. So basically my entry was from here up until here. So yeah, Thursday overall was a win. And then Friday was a very interesting day, just to say the least. Friday, I think, was one of like my favorite days to trade in this past week, because this was one of those obvious trades where I knew that the market was going up either way, but then there was market manipulation. We got taken out the first time, market went back in, I took another trade, we were taken out again, and then over here I knew that market was going up. I was like, I know market is going up, so you know, why is the market playing me? But then after this candlestick close, I was like, okay, I'm taking the trade. I managed to enter 2 buys, and then I had my take profit area, I had my stop loss area, and I blinked once and we had hit take profit. And with that, guys, I was overall in the green when it comes to how I performed. Like in the past 2 weeks, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trading days, and one of the trading days was a red day, but all of the other days were really like good days. So that's that on that.